Hello everyone. In this video, we'll check out the CS-Cart Product Review Request add-on. It allows users to send a reminder to customers in the form of an invitation to review the items they purchased. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now let's move back to our video. This is the admin panel. Now go to Add-ons, then click on Downloaded Add-ons. Before installing the Product Review Request add-on, we need to install the RMA add-on. So search for RMA and you'll see the RMA add-on listed. I have already installed and activated the RMA add-on. After completing the installation, go to Developers, then click on Webkul Software Private Limited. Here you will see the Request Review add-on. Since I have already installed it, click on Request Review. You will now see the Settings section. Click on it and you will see all the general settings. Here you can set the time frame. I'm selecting 5. You can also choose the order status. For now, I'm selecting Complete. Next, enable the checkbox for Replace Item action. Then select the RMA status from the available options: Requested, Approved, Declined, and Completed. You can also enable the Refund action checkbox. Moving further, you can again select the RMA status for your orders. For now, I'm selecting Declined. Here you can see the user guide settings. You can use placeholders in the mail template and edit the mail text here. After completing this configuration, you'll see the Choose Mail Format option. I'm selecting Order-based. You can choose either Order-based or Product-based. Once the configuration is complete, click on the Save button. Once all the configurations are saved successfully, go to the storefront to place an order. In the storefront, I'm selecting the Speakers category and then choosing a product. You'll see the Add to Cart button. Click on it, then click on the Checkout button. On the Checkout page, select Phone Ordering. Scroll down and select both checkboxes. Then click on the Place Order button. Once the order is placed successfully, let's move back to the admin panel. First, go to Orders and then click on Orders again. Here you can see the latest order with the ID 114. Click on this order. In the status settings, you'll find a checkbox labeled Request to Review. Check this box and set the status to Complete. Here you can see the message, Request Review sent successfully. Now click on the Save button. Next, check the mail. You'll receive the Request Review email for this order, which includes a Review Here button. Click on it and it will redirect you to the Order Products page. Now go back to the Admin panel, then click on the Request Review tab. Here you can see the latest order with the ID 114, along with the Gear button. Click on the Gear button, then click on Send Again to resend the review request email. The Request Review email has been resent successfully. Now check the mail. You'll see the new Request Review email in your inbox. And that's all about the functionality of this module. I hope you like it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.